It's August in the Frugal Gardener's garden. This is the time of season when most people are pretty much done gardening. But as promised, we found something that we can still plant and harvest before the first frost. Stay with me. Welcome back to the Frugal Gardener's garden. What we have here are green beans, to be specific, Blue Lake green beans. Why am I planting these? Because it's the middle of August, and in my region, my zone, the first frost is usually the first week in October. So people generally don't plant anything this time of year unless they're planting for the fall and winter. But if you look closely, you'll see right there where it says 55 days to harvest. Not sure how clear that's going to come up, but these are bush beans. They don't need to be staked. You throw them in a pot, you put them down about an inch, and in 5 to 7 days you'll see them germinate, and in 55 days you will have green beans. So it's pretty simple. I'm going to plant a couple of these, and the big advantage to gardening in pots is you're going to lose a little bit of sun each day, a little bit of light each day. So when you use a pot, this pot has drainage. Matter of fact, it's a new pot. Then you can move that pot around during the day, or pretty much just set it out in the morning before you go to work in the sun, and then move it again in the afternoon when you come home. So let's plant. You don't want to overcrowd the pot, so basically I just spread these out. Probably should have just used 3, but in the event that one of these does not germinate, I still have a decent amount of beans for a meal or two. So I'm just going to push these down about an inch, inch and a half in the soil, water them, stick them in the sun, and we're done. That's it. Okay, so seeds are planted and watered. They're in the sun. That's all you have to do. So basically a quick and easy vegetable you can grow towards the end of the season. And if it gets a little colder at night towards the end of the 55 days, you can put it under a porch, cover it, maybe bring it in the house or in the garage, and you should be fine. So that's it for this little quick video. This is the Frugal Gardener. Thanks for spending part of your day with me. Please subscribe and please tell your friends. Until next time, happy gardening.